Hello, hello, hello. How are you doing this amazing morning? This is your boy reaching out to you. Okay? I'm Mobalaji Yunuga, and if you are just seeing this for the first time, welcome. And you've been seeing some of my trainings, and I want to say massive congratulations to you. And if you've been applying some of the tips from my short trainings around social media, I say go. Okay. Now I'll be giving you an incredible solution to a common problem. So, like I've always been saying, the world is moving faster. Transaction has been done at a jetty pace. Okay, people are consummating things around mobile phones. Okay, and people are leveraging the online space. Technology is taking advantage of almost all aspects of passion, service, business, project, as the case may be. Okay, and like I explained, we have approximately 9 billion in terms of world population, and more than 50% has been adopted by more than 50% of the world's population have adopted the social media space. Okay, and I usually give people tips around the social media space because part of my mission is to help as many lives as possible start up with the least cost, okay, towards maximizing their engagement, towards maximizing their awareness, towards maximizing their visibility, towards maximizing their sales, and at the long run, towards increasing their profit. Okay? So today's coaching is going to be an incredible one. I tell you, if you don't have a pen, I suggest you get a pen and paper right now because I'll be giving you guys an amazing tip around that tool that you need to step up your business to the next stage. And that tool is your mobile phone. Your mobile phone will always be with you anywhere you go. So if you are taking advantage of the social media space, what that means is that your business is on the move, your business is on the go, your business should be wherever you go, meaning that your business will be open 247 in as much as your mobile phone is with you 247. But to get your mobile phone ready to a level whereby you can use it to take advantage of your passion, your service, your project, your business, as the case may be, your mobile phone needs to be in an healthy state. Your mobile phone needs to be in a healthy state. What do I mean by that? See your mobile phone like your computer. See your mobile phone like your server. See your mobile phone like your shop. See your mobile phone like your mall. If your mall is all dirty, all clumsy, nobody wants to come into your store to do business. Okay? If your shop is not attractive, is all clumsy, is all stocked up, there's no space, nobody will have a chance to stay in your store to actually make inquiry about whatever product you are selling. The same concept applies in a digital manner regarding your mobile phone. Mobile phone now is the in thing. Gone are the days where people used to use walkie-talkie. Gone are the days when people used to sit down around radios. Gone are the days where people used to sit around TVs. Most people spend most of their time on their mobile phones. Attention has shifted to the mobile phones. Where then will you then want to showcase whatever you want to showcase? It's definitely around the mobile phone, and there's no better platform to use than the online space. Okay, so now here's the deal. To get your mobile phone to a very, very, very good state, there are some simple steps you need to follow. So you might need a pen around this because I had to do some jottings to actually guide you guys. Okay, so I'll be looking at them and I'll be explaining them to you. Then before I go ahead, there's something I'd like to tell you again, is that if you want the notes around what I'm going to be showing you now, it's going to be a bit technical. Do reach out to me and I'll be more than happy to share the notes with you. Okay, and if you want to access some of my other free coaching, free trainings towards using social media to step up your business to the next level, feel free to reach out to me and I'll be more than happy to share all my trainings. I'll be more than happy to share all my trainings with you. Okay? Now, going back to how to making sure that your phone is in a healthy state. A healthy phone, a phone with a healthy state is a good foundation for a good digital business. I repeat, a mobile phone with a healthy state is an amazing and concrete and incredible foundation for a good business within a digital space, for a good passion delivery, for a good service delivery around the digital space, around the social media space, around the mobile phone, around the online space. Okay? So now take note of all these things. Number one, you need to have a tool that can take advantage of your unnecessary content. Your unnecessary content majorly will be around pictures and around audios and around videos. How many of you have gotten probably videos forwarded to you several times that it tends to choke up your storage, thereby preventing you from doing what you want to do on your mobile phone, thereby slowing down your mobile phone, thereby, giving you unnecessary bad experience around your mobile phone? I'm sure one of us must have had that kind of experience. Now, this is what you need to do. Number one is that you need to download an application called File Commander. File Commander. You need to download the application from Google Play Store if you're using Android, or from the iOS Store if you're using Apple. Okay? So once you have that tool installed, it is going to give you different options. You have your internal storage. So this is what you need to do. Go to your internal storage, navigate to your internal storage, tap on your internal storage. And once you tap on your internal storage, what is the next thing that you need to do? The next thing that you need to do is that you are going to see different directories. So when I say directories, you are going to see different folders appearing. So these are the folders you need to go to actually make your phone to be in a healthy state, to actually purge some unnecessary content from your mobile phone. Okay? So number one, you will see the video folder. Go to the video folder. Once you go to the video folder, automatically you will see some list of videos that have been sent to you, probably through WhatsApp or whichever platform. Now look at all those videos and purge those ones that you don't want. How do you delete them? You select them one by one and delete, or you can mass select them, select all and delete them. That is going to free up space on your mobile phone. Then the other thing you need to do within your video folder you will see sent. Tap on the sent folder. You will also see some videos that you've actually shared with friends, with people that you know, or with groups. Those videos that you don't need, select them and delete them. It is very, very important. This is going to free up space on your mobile phone. Remember, multiple occurrences of pictures make a video. If, for instance, now, if you want to make a very short video, there are thousands and thousands of static images that are going to make up that short clip. That is why video clips are heavier than ordinary pictures. So it is important that if you want to set up your phone to be in a healthy state, you need to address the video content and purge out those ones that you are not in need of. So number 2, you need to go to another folder called the music folder. Go to the music folder, repeat the same steps I mentioned earlier on. Look at all the musical files that you have. Those ones that you don't need, select them and delete them. At the same time, you will also see a sent folder indicating musical files that you've shared with people or with groups. Go to that sent folder within that musical folder and purge out, delete, select and delete those ones that you don't need anymore. Also, what you can do again is this. Okay? You need to go to the picture folder. Okay? This might apply so much to our ladies entrepreneurs out there, okay, that love sharing photos of their products and all that, or probably photos of their family and all that. What you need to do, go to the folder. This might take a long time, so make sure this is the last thing you're doing. Go to the picture folder, navigate to the picture folder, you see loads of pictures. Sort them, because this file commander can enable you to do all this. Sort the pictures by sizes and start deleting them based on the largest file based on the file with the largest size, and start deleting them. Okay, and at the same time, go to the send folder as well. You see tons of pictures that you might have shared with people, so you need to delete that. And most importantly is the WhatsApp folder. The WhatsApp folder is what takes the biggest space in the mobile phone. Okay? And what you need to do is that you need to go to the WhatsApp folder, click on the WhatsApp folder. Okay, the WhatsApp folder is going to show you different folders, but focus on media. Focus on the media folder. Okay? Go to the media folder, select the media folder. Okay, you are going to see different folders, and the different folders that you're going to see is going to be the video folder, images folder, and the audio folder. So once you go to the WhatsApp folder, okay, hey, some of the tricks, thanks for tuning in. Once you go to the media folder, the WhatsApp folder, it's going to open up. It's likely to give you 3 folders, which is the video, the audio, and the picture. Tap on the video folder. Immediately you go into the video folder, you're going to see loads of videos there. Now start looking at those videos that people have sent to you. The ones you don't need, delete them. And then once you are done with that, go to the sent folder within the media folder of your WhatsApp and look at all those videos that you have sent to people through WhatsApp. The ones you don't need, delete them. I suggest you delete all, because anyways, you're the one that sent them in the first place. So for you to have sent them, that means you must have consummated the video, which will not be of need to you anymore. Okay, and you can purge them. Remember, if somebody sends a video to me now through WhatsApp, if I decide to forward that video to somebody else, what have I done? I have clogged up the space, the storage on my mobile phone, meaning that I'm having 2 of those folders, 2 of those videos in my system, in my mobile phone. One is the one that was sent to me, and the second one is the one that I sent to people. So why will I want to keep a video file of same thing. Okay, this is one of the ways that we get our mobile phone clogged up, whereby it loses storage. Okay, so the same thing applies to the audio. From your WhatsApp, select the audio folder, delete all the audios, the musical files that you feel are not necessary. Go to the send folder within the audio file, delete all the musical files or all the audio files that you might have forwarded to people to free up space. The same thing applies to the picture folder. Select the picture folder, go to the picture folder. Okay, once you go to the picture folder, you will see tons of videos there, of pictures rather there. Sort them by size and select them and delete the one that you feel unnecessary. Go to the sent folder within your picture folder as well, because you must have sent photos to people, pictures to people. Delete them, and this will free up the space, your storage on your mobile phone. Why I'm laying so much emphasis on your storage is one thing only, because the world is now going on onto a digital main. The world is now so mobile, the world is now so digital, the world is now so online. Let me put it that way. Your shop now is your mobile phone. Your mall now is your mobile phone. Your store now is your mobile phone. So if your mobile phone is not in a good state, your business is highly, highly likely to suffer. Okay? And for your business not to suffer within the digital space, you need to make sure that your phone is in a healthy state. And there's no better way to make your phone to be in a healthy state than making sure that it has free storage. And talking about free storage as well, there are going to be enough things that you're going to need. You don't have, in my previous trainings, I told you guys that you need to make sure that you have a very good picture whenever you're posting them on your business page, or you need to have a very good motion-based content, which is the video. How do you make these static images, such as pictures for your business post or your passion or service post? How can you make this short video content for your passion, your services, your product, or business, as the case may be, on your business page? Is by using incredible video editing apps on mobile phone and picture editing apps. For you to have these things on your phone needs to be free in terms of storage, because if your phone is not free, you won't be able to install all these important tools required to step up your business to the next level. Okay, because so many people tend to probably outsource some of their business content in terms of videos, some of their digital content in terms of pictures, when they can do it all by themselves, taking advantage of amazing mobile picture and video editing apps out there. Okay? So what we'll be doing is that if you want to get hold of some amazing free photo editing applications, you can reach out to me. I'll be more than happy to share them with you, which you can go to the Google Play Store to install them and start practicing with them. If you want video editing apps, reach out to me. I'll be more than happy to share them with you as well. Because what these tools will do is that they will step your business to the next level. Okay? Have you ever gotten hold of? Now, let's come to think of it. Some people might be like, most of the things that you've purchased, let's say on Konga, on Jumia, on Amazon, on eBay, how did they approach you in the first place? They approached you through either static image or through motion-based video content. How were these content made? Some were made from mobile apps. So it is important that you free up your mobile phone for you to be able to install some incredible photo editing apps, mobile apps, and video editing mobile apps. So if you need some of these apps, I have a list that I can actually share with you. So you can reach out to me, and I'll be more than happy to share them with you. So I just want to let you guys know about this short tip that tends to affect so many entrepreneurs out there. So on that note, I'll be calling it bye for now, and I'll be seeing you guys soon. And do have an incredible day ahead. Bye. Peace.